Cream of mushroom and potato soup recipe. Yield, 4 servings. Prep time, 5 minutes. Cook time, 30 minutes. Total time, 35 minutes. Ingredients, soup. 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters olive oil. 2 medium yellow onion, diced. 3 large cloves garlic, finely minced. 6 cups caramelize mushrooms, coarsely chopped. 3 medium potatoes, peeled, diced into 1 cm cubes. 2 mushroom bouillon cubes. 4 cups 1L water. 1 teaspoon 3 grams dried thyme. 1/8 of a teaspoon black pepper, plus more to taste. Ingredients, optional garnish. Roasted potatoes. Sautéed mushrooms. Shredded red cabbage. Fresh basil leaves or thyme. Herb toast or croutons. Directions. 1. In a large pan on high heat, sauté the oil and onions, stirring frequently until the onions caramelize, about 8 minutes. Add splashes of water as needed to avoid burning and to bring out the caramelized color from the base of the pot. While the onions caramelize, prepare the potatoes and mushrooms. 2. Once the onions are lightly caramelized, add the garlic and sauté until lightly browned, about 2 minutes. Reduce the heat slightly if needed. 3. Add the remaining ingredients to the pot, except for the mushrooms, bring to a gentle boil for 5 minutes, then reduce the heat to medium-high and add the mushrooms. Allow to simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are cooked. 4. Using an immersion blender, blend some of the soup but allow some chunks to remain. Alternatively, you can use a blender, in which case blending about half of the soup is recommended. 5. Taste test, add more pepper if desired, plate, garnish, and serve while hot. Notes. 1. You can use button, white mushrooms instead, although caramelize mushrooms offer a firmer texture and deeper flavor. 2. Leftovers, this recipe is great to prepare in bulk, portion, and freeze for later. 3. Storage, store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Store in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 months. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.